Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. So as you guys can see, I did change my hair color. I hope you guys like it. And I do have a little visitor on my chin, but don't pay attention to it. We'll be covering that up, so don't you worry. So my skin has been a little bit dry lately, but I will be using the Garnier Skin Active Moisturizer to moisturize my skin. And then we will also be using the Origins Under Eye Cream. Today we're going to be using the James Charles palette to create this Valentine's Day makeup look, but we will first be starting off with our brows, and of course I'm going in with the Anastasia brow powder, and I'm just going to be quickly filling in my eyebrows. You guys already know how I do this if you watch my videos often. So after I fill them in, I like to clean them up with a flat concealer brush, and I like to go in with the Born This Way concealer by Too Faced. So after I have cleaned my eyebrows, I just like to take my beauty blender and smooth everything out, as in the concealer, so I don't have any harsh lines when I go and place my foundation or anything like that. And to prime, I just like to use concealer. And to start off, we're going to be going in with the shade Mary from the James Charles palette, and we're going to be placing that on the outer V and into the crease. And I just like to buff out the color and then add some more. I know James Charles said that you should be using a primer for this, but I used the concealer and the colors are working out just fine for me. After I have blended those colors out, I'm going to be going in with the color Boutique from the eyeshadow palette. And this is just a darker version of the first color, and this is gonna help everything be a little bit deeper, just how I like it or I want it. And just make sure you're blending everything out right. I see on this eye I have a lot of patches, so I'm just trying to get that as smooth as possible. And I am going to be doing a cut crease with this, which I'm just taking the same concealer I was using, looking up and cutting my crease wherever the line ends up on my upper lid. And I'm doing the same to the other eye. So after that, I am taking the color Shook all over where I placed the concealer, and I couldn't find a flat brush for this, so I just grabbed whatever brush I had available. So yeah, that is what I'm using, and that is the color Shook from the James Charles palette. And because those colors are kind of the same color as my color from my crease and my outer V, I'm gonna go in with the shade Sister, sorry. This shade Sister over top, just to give it a little something extra. Over top of that, I'm gonna be going in with the Urban Decay Volume liquid liner, just because I want this area to pop a little bit. And this is what the liner looks like. It's like a pinky shade. I'm going to be taking this little brush and just, you know, deepening at the outer corners a little bit more and then cleaning up my under eyes. I'm going to be going in with the NARS foundation in Stromboli, and I'm going to do this pretty quickly because you guys have seen me do this a million times. So to set my concealer, I like to go in with this Kat Von D powder in golden, just to set my under eyes. Which is kind of like a yellowy powder, and I just like to use this mainly under my eyes, and whatever's left over I'll put on the rest of my face. And then I'm gonna just be taking the same colors from the crease and the you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm using the same colors for my lower lash line. So after that, you guys, I'm just gonna be taking any fluffy brush and just dispersing that product that I placed underneath my lash line. And with this little brush, I'm gonna be highlighting my inner corner and my brow bone. And of course, don't forget to curl your lashes and apply mascara. I'm not using any liner for this, guys, just mascara and lashes will be applied. So for the contouring and blush and highlight, I'm just going to be going in with the same old things that I always use. There's nothing new for this. But if you guys do have products that you want me to try, bronzers or highlights or anything, just don't forget to comment them down below. I would love to try any products you guys suggest. I'm really open to drugstore products or high-end products, whichever. I just want to try new things because I don't know what else is out there. I mean, I probably do, but I just don't know what's good. You know what I mean? But don't forget to blend, guys. I always say this, and it's very, very important because I see girls out here that don't blend out their contour, and let me tell you. Anyways, so with the blush, I will be applying it as usual, and I picked up another trick where you just kind of brush it over your forehead and your nose, and it kind of looks more natural or something. I don't know. I just did it, and it's not really much of a difference. So for the lips, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Allison liquid lipstick and just apply it to my lips. And that's another trick of mine, guys. Just spray your face before highlight. It makes the highlight stick a little bit nicer on your face, and it just settles down all the powders and anything like that. And guys, don't forget to go back with your beauty blender and just blend out your highlight. And for the lashes, I'm just going to go in with the Lily Lashes in the style Mykonos for this makeup look. If there's any lashes you guys want me to try, just let me know. But anyways, this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys really like this makeup look. And of course, I had to just get my hair done. Well, I just straightened it. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, bye guys.